Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add a rating field in Ninja Forms. So to do that, hover onto Ninja Forms and click on Dashboard. Now I will add the rating field to my existing form. You can also create a new form and follow the same process. Now to add the rating field here, click on this plus icon. You will find the rating field under the miscellaneous fields. Click on it to add it to the form builder. You can adjust the position of the field like this. Now let's explore the field options by clicking on them. Here you can edit the label. You can also edit the number of stars if you'd like to. Make this field required, it's all up to you. After everything is in place, click on Done. Now let's publish the form. It's time to preview this form. You can see this is how the rating field has been added in the Ninja Forms. So that's it for this video. This is how you can add a rating field in Ninja Forms. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.